The enigmatic world of tarot cards. For thousands of years, tarot cards have captivated humanity's curiosity, sometimes seen as tools for divination, other times as guides for self-discovery. Their story extends far beyond what meets the eye. Tarot is not just a deck of cards, but a mirror to the soul and a reflection of life's journey. Each card is filled with symbols designed to help us unravel the intricate fabric of existence. People turn to tarot not only to find answers, but also to better understand themselves and rewrite the story of their lives. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the origins, meanings, and guidance offered by these ancient cards. The history of tarot, from playing cards to a universal guide. The history of tarot cards dates back to 14th century Italy. Initially used as a game, these cards gradually took on deeper meanings. By the 18th century, tarot was reinterpreted in Europe as a tool for divination and guidance. Each card's symbols began to represent universal aspects of the human experience. These symbols served as a way to understand both individual and collective life. Over the centuries, tarot has been used in various cultures, adapting to different forms but always remaining a tool for exploring the meaning of life. This evolution demonstrates that tarot is not merely for entertainment, but also a guide for navigating the unknown. Interestingly, tarot's transformation from a simple card game to a spiritual guide reflects humanity's evolving consciousness. While its origins were rooted in art and leisure, the cards became vessels for storytelling, mysticism, and personal growth. Their resilience lies in their ability to transcend cultural boundaries and speak to universal truths. Tarot's journey through history is as layered and symbolic as the cards themselves, showcasing its ability to adapt while retaining its core essence, a bridge between the mundane and the divine. The Major Arcana, answers to life's big questions. The Major Arcana, the most striking part of the tarot deck, consists of 22 cards that symbolize the journey of life. These cards tell a story that begins with a new start and ends with completion. For example, the Fool represents innocence and fresh beginnings, while the World symbolizes the end of a cycle and universal wholeness. Each card in the Major Arcana reflects different stages of the human experience and the challenges encountered along the way. These cards resonate not only with individuals, but also with the collective consciousness. We are all part of the story these cards tell, and the Major Arcana serves as a guide to uncovering the profound meaning of our life journeys. The Minor Arcana, the secrets of everyday life. The Minor Arcana provides insight into the challenges and joys of daily life. This group of 56 cards is divided into 4 suits: Cups, Wands, Swords, and Pentacles. Cups represent emotions and relationships. Wands signify passion and energy. Swords reflect thoughts and decisions. And Pentacles symbolize the material world and security. The Minor Arcana adds depth and meaning to seemingly ordinary moments in life. Decisions, emotions, and actions become clearer when viewed through these cards. The insights offered by the Minor Arcana act as a compass to help navigate the complexities of daily living. The story told by tarot symbols. Every tarot card contains symbols that tell the collective story of humanity. The sun, stars, animals, and elements of nature reflect universal human experiences. For instance, the Sun card represents enlightenment and hope, while the Moon symbolizes the unknown and inner exploration. These symbols give each card a deeper significance and provide profound insights about ourselves. The symbolic language of tarot extends beyond surface-level meanings, touching the subconscious and enabling us to explore the depths of our souls. Each symbol offers a unique perspective on the story of our lives. Working with tarot, a path to self-discovery. Using tarot cards is not merely about divination, but also about understanding and discovering oneself. When working with tarot, asking the right questions and carefully listening to the card's responses is essential. Tarot does not predict the future with certainty, but guides us to find our inner wisdom. This process helps us understand not only the external world, but also our internal one. Working with tarot can be compared to meditation or a ritual. Each reading unveils a message from our soul. Tarot in modern times, from spirituality to personal growth. Today, tarot cards are not just spiritual tools, but also guides for therapy and personal development. People use tarot to resolve emotional blockages, make informed decisions, and uncover their potential. In the modern world, the meaning of tarot has expanded to a broader perspective. More than ever, individuals view these cards as guides through the chaos of daily life. The wisdom offered by tarot is not limited to understanding the past or predicting the future. It also enables us to live more consciously in the present. Moreover, tarot has found its way into mainstream culture, appearing in art, literature, and even therapy sessions. Its accessibility has allowed more people to explore its benefits, breaking the stigma once associated with it. Tarot is no longer seen as a mystical practice reserved for the spiritually inclined. It's now recognized as a versatile tool that can help anyone navigate the complexities of modern life with greater clarity and intention. Seeing life through tarot cards. Tarot cards are far more than just a deck. They are keys to delving into the depths of life and the soul. These cards help us understand who we are, where we come from, and where we are headed. Tarot brings us closer to ourselves, providing inner wisdom and guidance. Each card is an opportunity to understand the intricate tapestry of life. Tarot's magic lies in its ability to act as a bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, the mundane and the extraordinary. By engaging with the cards, we are not merely interpreting symbols. We are connecting to a universal energy that binds us all. Whether you're new to tarot or have spent years studying its intricacies, one thing remains constant: the profound connection it offers to the mysteries of existence, the energy of the cards, and personal connection. Tarot cards operate through an energetic bond formed between the user and the deck. This is why it's important to familiarize yourself with a tarot deck and infuse it with your energy before working with it. The energy of the cards aligns with your intentions and questions. Touching, shuffling, and meditating with the deck helps create a stronger connection with its energy. Each deck has its unique personality and vibration. Building a personal relationship with the cards makes the insights they offer more meaningful. It's not just working with a tool, it's establishing a spiritual friendship. Dreams and tarot. Unlocking the subconscious. Dreams and tarot cards are powerful tools for accessing the subconscious. Both work through symbols, which can reveal hidden messages from within. Tarot cards can be used to interpret the symbols that appear in dreams. For instance, if you dream of embarking on a journey, the Fool card might represent this theme in the tarot world. Using tarot for dream analysis helps you dive deeper into the emotions and messages stored in your subconscious. When combined, tarot and dreams enrich your spiritual discoveries and bring clarity to your inner world. Tarot and astrology. Guidance from the stars. Many aspects of tarot are deeply intertwined with astrology. Cards from the Major Arcana are associated with specific planets and zodiac signs. For example, the Star card is linked to Aquarius, while the Chariot corresponds to Cancer. These astrological connections add layers of meaning to tarot readings. Combining tarot and astrology allows you to benefit from the wisdom of the stars while uncovering the deeper meanings within tarot. It's a way of merging the grand design of the cosmos with your personal journey. When used together, tarot and astrology provide a comprehensive map of your spiritual and emotional self. This combination allows you to align your actions with the cosmic rhythms, creating a harmonious flow between your internal desires and external circumstances. Tarot is a path to healing. Tarot cards are not only tools for answering questions, but also for facilitating healing. Each card can act as a guide to addressing spiritual wounds. For example, the Sun card revitalizes positive energy and life force, while the Hermit encourages solitude and introspection for inner peace. Tarot can illuminate the healing process, helping you overcome emotional blockages and discover your potential. This journey fosters a deeper understanding of yourself and provides emotional balance, making the cards a powerful tool for growth and self-care. The art of self-interpretation with tarot. Interpreting tarot cards might seem like a skill reserved for experts, but anyone can learn to read the cards by trusting their intuition. When working with a tarot deck, it's essential to interpret the symbols in a way that resonates personally. Each card carries different meanings depending on the context of your life. Developing your interpretations allows for a deeper connection with the deck. This is not just a process of acquiring knowledge, but also an opportunity to build confidence in your instincts. As you learn the cards' meanings, you'll also discover how they uniquely speak to you. Tarot and rituals. Sacred connections. Tarot cards become more powerful when combined with rituals. Lighting a candle, burning incense, or meditating before a reading helps you focus your energy. Rituals clarify the energy of the cards and make their messages easier to understand. They also instill a sense of sacredness, encouraging a deeper respect for the cards. Rituals transform tarot readings from a simple practice into a profound spiritual experience. These small yet meaningful gestures create an environment where intuition and insight can flourish. Whether it's a daily ritual of pulling a single card or a more elaborate spread during significant life events, these practices deepen your connection to the cards and their messages. Rituals remind us to slow down, set intentions, and honor the wisdom that tarot offers, turning each reading into a transformative experience. Tarot and modern technology. The digital transformation. Today, tarot is no longer confined to physical decks. It has found its place in the digital realm. Tarot apps and online readings have made this ancient practice more accessible to a broader audience. However, this digital transformation does not mean the essence of tarot is lost. Technology has allowed tarot to reach more people while preserving its depth and personal connection. Digital tarot stands as a mystical guide in the modern world, bridging ancient wisdom with contemporary life. Digital platforms offer unique opportunities for customization, community engagement, and learning, ensuring that tarot continues to evolve while staying rooted in its timeless wisdom. The future of tarot. Opening new doors to spiritual discovery. Tarot is a timeless guide and promises to remain a source of light for humanity in the future. In the modern world, tarot is valued not only as a tool for divination, but also as a catalyst for spiritual growth. People continue to use the wisdom of tarot to explore themselves and navigate life with greater awareness. The future of tarot extends beyond the cards themselves, offering deeper guidance for humanity's journey. It represents a timeless connection to the mysteries of life and the universe. As we move into an era of heightened consciousness and technological innovation, tarot will undoubtedly adapt and thrive. Tarot cards are not merely a deck filled with symbols. They offer a journey to understand the depths of the human soul and life itself. Each card acts as a mirror reflecting different aspects of life, a guide to overcoming challenges, and a doorway to uncovering the unknown. Tarot is a tool for confronting the past, understanding the present, and looking toward the future with hope. But the greatest strength of these cards lies in their ability to help individuals discover their inner guidance and understand the story of their soul. Tarot reminds us of our own potential, guiding us to find meaning amidst the chaos of life. Perhaps its most important message is this: we are all the heroes of our own journey, and the answers we seek are hidden deep within ourselves. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that the contents can continue. The comments you make on our videos mean the world to us. So don't forget to like and comment on our videos. Stay informed and healthy.